So if you want to send a PDF file via Gmail on your Android, so first of all, open up your Gmail. We'll need it, right? After that, we gotta press Compose right here. Choose this option, choose your recipient. All right. Now we're gonna find our paperclip icon on the right side of our screen, and we gotta press Attach. After that, choose a PDF file which you want to use. Keep in mind that the PDF file shouldn't exceed 30 megabytes. So choose your PDF file. You can add up some message. Let's do this. And simply press Send. Looks like this. And basically, that's it. Easy as that. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.